Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can download a selection in your whiteboard presentation on Canva. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to whiteboard presentation on Canva, and instead of downloading the entire presentation here in the top right, you may, for example, want to, download and export only a part of your presentation. So in this case, you will need to highlight these elements or components. Let me highlight or mark these two here with the given connectors. So all three elements have been marked: the rectangle, the circle, and the connector here. Right click into any of these, and then guys, what you want to do is choose a download selection, and then you will see the thumbnail here of the selected element. As you can see, the triangle here is excluded. You may go with or select the file type at the top, and click into download here to save it on your device in the given file format and the chosen file size and quality. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.